What is up? Down here at Bethany Home Road and just west of the 303, there is a whole full mile of these new buildings going up like this that look like they're obviously some high intensity data centers. They have something like 200-ton chillers, just rows of them, like 2-3 rows deep of these monster chillers. And they always gripe about how much energy we use, but when it comes to running their social media sites and Skynet and stuff like that, well, then all of a sudden it's okay. So this is one building. I cannot get my drone to go up because we're too close to Luke Air Force Base. Here's one building. I'm going to show you how many buildings are around here that are all going up. There's about 5 buildings going up with just rows and rows and rows of these chillers. And just to kind of get a little, they're monsters. They're big. And there's got to be 30 of them and then another 30. So there's at least 60 going up on this building. Let me go around the block. I'll show you the rest. Okay, just pulled up the road so you get another angle of them here. So there's the one we were just looking at. Right behind it, there's a duplicate. Just gonna be miles and miles of those things. And then down here, I'll go around the block, but all those cranes, they're all putting up big chillers for big buildings for data centers, Skynet or something. Okay, now I'm on the other side. So we were right over here, Cotton Lane, Bethany Home Road. Now we're down at Camelback here in Cotton Lane. So a full mile, this is a full mile, and all these buildings are going in right here just behind this residential. So here's 2 more of those monster buildings. So right here, they sat the chillers, or at least most of them. Same thing, look at that, just rows of them, like 30 of them or so, and then another row of 30, might even be more than that. Behind that building is another one going up. Crazy, huh? Just massive amounts. I'll turn up this other road, you see there's even more buildings. And just to run this place, right off the mains, they have all the switch gear here. Distribution center for the electric, just to supply all these buildings going in. So you got those 2 buildings I just showed you. And then there's rows of buildings up this road as well behind us, the distribution here. Oh, if I remember the name from Terminator, it was called Skynet. I was talking with this technician here, and neither one of us could remember that for the life of me. Now I remember Skynet. That's what it was in Terminator. That's probably what they're building out here, Skynet. I don't really believe computers will come alive. I think they're just garbage in, garbage out. But there's some sketchy things about people putting computers in charge of things. Dude, this is crazy. It's like they're trying to build the Terminator. Look at all those giant chillers up there in this data center. 200-ton chillers, and I counted 2 rows of 20, so it's 40 of them. Think of all that demand